Sleep, my angel, sleep all the night. Dream, my baby, dream again. Sleep.
This sweet moment brings great joy to our minds. But when sadness fills the scores of this lullaby, the happiness fades away. Limaas brings the solution for many of your long-lasted sorrows. Limaas was established in the year 2011 with an aim to deliver advanced medical innovations and services in an affordable way.
Noven Saliva Fertility Monitor is one of the most important devices among the products of Limaas. Just by a drop of saliva, a woman can determine the ovulation dates and her ability to conceive, and also helpful for infertile couples.
In this generation, there are a lot of childless couples around us. The reason for infertility in women is mainly due to the lack of information regarding their ovulation patterns. 65% of infertility is due to the inability to detect the ovulation days accurately. Nowadays, we use follicular study as well as LH kits to study ovulation patterns. In follicular study, from the 7th day after periods, the concerned person is asked to come for scanning in alternate days. Scanning is done to determine the measurement of follicle, and when it's about 18 to 20 millimeter, the ovulation occurs. In a woman with 28 days menstrual cycle, ovulation occurs in the 14th day. This pattern may vary in each menstrual cycle. And as you get older, the ovulation frequency decreases. To determine ovulation, when cervical mucus is examined under a microscope, a ferning pattern can be observed. With the same principle, when saliva is examined under a microscope, the same ferning pattern can be observed and ovulation can be confirmed. Those who are planning to get pregnant can make use of this day, and those who don't want to get pregnant can avoid unwanted pregnancies. In the morning, right after you wake up and before brushing your teeth, apply a drop of saliva in Noven's lens to know your ability to conceive. Wait for the saliva to dry. Replace the microscope back to the light housing and observe the result. If you see only the dots, you are not ovulating. If you see dots and few forming fern-like patterns, you are either beginning to ovulate or ending ovulation. And if you see a fern-like pattern, means ovulation is occurring.
Noven Saliva Fertility Monitor is useful in 3 different ways. Firstly, Noven will be of great help for couples wanting to have children or infertile couples, because the reason for more than 65% of infertility is due to the inability to find ovulation days accurately. Every woman may not ovulate every month. The second benefit of Noven is it can be used for natural family planning, as it needs just a drop of saliva. And finally, Noven can be used to prevent a lot of unplanned pregnancies, thus preventing pregnancy complications and unwanted abortions. Noven is made in America and it has US FDA approval. This is a 98% accurate device that is 100% natural and safe. Noven can be used daily without any recurring cost. Noven is just the size of a lipstick, and women can monitor their ovulation patterns on a daily basis in the privacy of their own home. Noven is clinically proven with years of research. Limaas was established in the year 2011 with an aim to deliver advanced medical innovations and services in an affordable way.